if you want to move contacts from your SIM card to your new Android phone, so first of all, open up your contacts application. Now locate these three lines or three dots on some phones. Choose your merge contacts, choose import or export contacts. Now press import. So choose where you would like to import them from. So in my case, it's gonna be SIM1. Now choose the desired contacts, right? Press done, or you can press all if you need all, right? So choose one, press done. Now choose where you want to import them to. You can import them to Google accounts, phone or Samsung account. I'll choose phone. Scroll down to import, press OK, and you're ready. And the second way of doing this is basically the same, just through a different contacts application, because sometimes there may be some problem with your built-in contacts application. What if? So open up your Google Play Store, press search, locate your contacts from Google, open that up. All right, now choose your organize section. There it is at the bottom. Here, scroll down to your manage SIM, and here you can choose those contacts. So you can choose where to save them, either Google account or your device. And basically that's how you do this. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.